Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming you have channel access and API credentials. You need developer access. Create OAuth credentials in Google Cloud, then copy client ID and secret into your bot dashboard. Once done, authenticate with the channel account and grant the specific scopes for live chat and channel management so the bot can read and post messages. Make sure to store tokens securely. Refresh tokens are required for long sessions. This sets the foundation so the bot can interact reliably with your YouTube channel. Now configure the bot's logic and event handlers because this determines how it behaves during a broadcast. Define commands and triggers, assign cooldowns to prevent spam, and set role-based permissions so mods and bots differ. Then map YouTube events, live chat messages, super chats, joins, to specific handlers and wire API callbacks to your server. Once configured, run a private test stream and observe verbose logs to validate timing, rate limits, and error handling. Make iterative tweaks until responses are consistent and non-disruptive. Finally, deploy the bot to production and start live monitoring. Track uptime, API quota usage, and error rates. Use automated restarts and alerts for crashes and rotate credentials regularly for security. If something goes wrong, chat not sending or commands failing, first check token expiry and permission scopes, then inspect quota limits and server logs for rate-limiting errors. If needed, revert to the last stable config and rerun the private test. With monitoring and backups in place, you'll maintain a reliable YouTube bot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.